Black Beauty is one of my favorite tomato varieties. It is such a unique tomato and it is really pretty. It is what a lot of gardeners refer to as an antho tomato, meaning it has anthocyanins in it, which are antioxidants like the ones found in blueberries, which is what gives it its dark color. However, inside, the tomato isn't dark, but it sure is pretty. It is kind of pink inside with some greenish, brownish colors as well. The flavor is amazing. It's really rich and sweet with a hint of fruitiness and seems mild and acid. And on the brix meter, it had a reading of 9.0, and this brix value can vary here and there depending on how ripe each tomato is when you test it. And with these darker tomatoes, it can be hard to tell when they're ripe, but I did slice this one open when I felt like it was at its ripest stage. I did test a lesser ripe Black Beauty tomato, and the reading was around 7.6, but even then I felt like the flavor was really good. And having a riper one reading at 9.0 on the brix meter is pretty high for a tomato, so it definitely is sweet. The first few years that I grew this variety, I felt like it wasn't very productive, which is to be expected from these larger slicer varieties, but I liked it enough to keep growing it. But this year, I feel like I got a decent amount so far this season, and if the heat doesn't kill off any future blossoms, I should be able to harvest some more this year. But even if not, I do feel like it's got a unique enough flavor to warrant always having a spot in my garden. So this is one that I would definitely recommend and will keep growing myself.